Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPJPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hours chart of GBPJPY in front of us right now, and I recommended a sell a couple of days ago, and if you have shorted the market, then hopefully you made a good profit. And right now we can see that market is trading far away from this trend line. Okay, and if you're finding it difficult to understand my words, so let's try to analyze the first chart first. Let's try to understand what is going on, then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Clear? Okay. So this is the overall chart of GBPJPY, and as you can see here, that market is in downtrend. There is no doubt that market is in a clear downtrend, because whenever market was trying to go up, market failed to cross the previous high, and this downtrend is there in the market for last couple of months. Therefore should not be any doubt that this is a seller's market right now. Okay, which means that number of sellers are higher in comparison to number of buyers. And one thing also that we cannot deny, and I have already discussed in my earlier videos as well, that whenever there was a sharp fall in the market, we saw sharp recovery immediately. Okay, you can see that whenever there was a fall in the market, there was a sharp recovery on the market as well. So it also signifies that there are some hidden buyers present in the market who never allowed the market to go for a sharp fall. Overall trend of the market may be towards the downside, but we cannot deny that yes, there are some buyers also present in the market as well. Clear? Okay. So overall trend is towards the downside. But if we look at this particular portion of the market here, because see, our trades will last for a couple of hours, couple of minutes, or max to max 1 day. Therefore overall trend sometimes is not that important. And if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart, then we can see that overall trend may be towards the downside, but right now we are seeing a kind of sideways market here. Okay, because see, this market looks kind of sideways here. Okay, and in a sideways market, we get trading opportunities on both the side. We can also short the market at the resistance, and we can also go for a buy at the support. So overall market is downside, but the present trend looks kinda sideways. Okay. Therefore the next important point is area of value. Area of value, the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. I have already discussed in my hundreds and hundreds of videos that before executing any order, before going for any order, you should always look for the area of value. Area of value means the best trading opportunity, and if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities near the support, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities near the resistance. And in case of sideways market, we get area of value at both the resistance as well as the support. Okay. So here in this chart of GBPJPY, the area of value is at the resistance as well as the support right now. And right now you can see that market is just standing at this particular portion here. Okay. Though we cannot consider this level as a very strong support level, but still we can see that market is trying to make a temporary support here, because there was also a price rejection in the month of August only. Okay, therefore we can see that market is trying to take a temporary support here. Your temporary support level on the market is 151.50 to 151 level. Okay, just keep in mind that you will not trade as long as market is trading here. As long as market is trading in this range, 151.50 to 151 level, you will not trade. This is the support zone for the market, and you will not trade in. If you do not have marked this level on your charting platform, then I'll request you, my dear friend, that you must mark this level. Okay, so you will not trade as long as market is trading in this range. So on the other hand, if you see after a couple of hours, if you see market going up from here, if you see price being rejected from below, or if market is going up from here, market is bouncing from this particular level 151.50 to 151 level, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, at last market has taken support, and market taken support, and you can go for buy. Okay, you can go for buy here once you get the confirmation that yes, market has successfully taken support. Okay, so this is your first trading opportunity. On the other hand, if you find market crossing this level with great amount of volume, then only look for shorting the market, because right now we can see that market is already in the oversold zone. Generally, it is not a very wise decision to go for shorting the market when market is in oversold zone. But once you see, or if there is a sudden selling pressure in the market and market crosses this level 151 level, then you can short the market. Otherwise, do not think about shorting the market. And next trading opportunity on the chart of GBPJPY is shorting the market at this resistance level. You must draw this trend line, because this trend line is acting as a strong resistance for the market for the last couple of months. Therefore, there should not be any doubt in your mind that this trend line is not a valid resistance. So if you find market going up after a couple of days, you'll get a good shorting opportunity. Okay, if you find market struggling near the resistance, this trend line, definitely short the market. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on the GBPJPY chart in front of us right now. And if you go to the weekly chart here, this is the weekly chart of GBPJPY, and you can see that there is no proper support or resistance level from the weekly chart. The only information that we get from the weekly chart is that okay, overall trend that was available on the 4-hour chart is just a consolidation on the weekly chart. This chart is in uptrend right now. Okay, anyways, just follow the strategies that I just told you right now. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find a Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhajarika.com under Forex 101 section. So in the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 26% retail traders have taken short position, and 73% retail traders have already taken long position. Okay, and as we all know, 90%, more than 90% retail traders lose money, and the main reason of losing money is that they always take trades against the trend of the market. See, I'm telling you right now to go for a long position, go for a buy position if market reverses from the support, and they have already taken long position and right now they are in loss. Therefore, my dear friends, from next time onwards, be very careful and trade wisely, trade properly. Okay, so only go for long or buy once market bounces from the support. Otherwise, do not go for any long position. And recently I have also launched a pro trader membership program here. If you want to become a part of my analysis, where I share the daily market analysis and the best trading opportunities on the market available just for $15 per month. If you want to know more in detail, just go to the information, and I have also set up a separate page, pro trader. You can also go through everything. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.